Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is actually a warranty return. This comes from Boyd's Customs and Classic in Belmont, New Hampshire. They only had it maybe a month or so, and the transient diode shorted, and that's kind of a freak occurrence. It's only happened one other time in the 16 years I've been doing conversions, so I just went ahead and replaced it, and we're going to give it just another quick test before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment. Turn on.
They're mostly send it because we care about.
And I'm not going to go through the entire thing, just running through a few quick tests just so they can see it's working again. Let's go to FM. So when you got AM, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, make sure it plays the USB. Alrighty, let's pop a tape in. Neil Sedaka.
Say good.
I said that life's worth the living. For all that I can see. Whoa.
Alrighty, you did the tape and the radio comes back. Alrighty, turn it off and it's off. Alrighty, and this is just a quick test. Everything was fine except for that diode shorting out, which is a freak occurrence. It should never happen again. The last time it happened, it was when the customer had his car painted, and then after he had his car painted, the transient diode was shorted. So it's something that it's just kind of a freak occurrence. Sometimes components fail for no apparent reason. And so I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and yes, I do honor my warranty. I've had so many calls from customers. Oh, the guy won't call me back. Can you fix it? Yeah. Of course, I do charge for that, but anyway, yes, I do honor my warranty very diligently, and they'll be very happy to get this unit back because it's probably for their customer who's probably hounding them, and they've been pretty gracious to me about it. So thanks so much for watching and listening. If you'd like to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. Print out a work order. That will answer all your questions about my options, prices, and turn times. That way, if you need to call me, it's only to answer a couple of quick last-minute questions instead of a 15-minute thing that takes me off the bench. So thanks, guys, and we'll see you next time.